Hi, my name is Kristen Putt, and this is my science misconception video about the phases of the moon. So some common misconceptions that students have about the phases of the moon are that it is caused by the way that the Earth is on its axis, that it is caused by the Earth's shadow, and that it is caused by clouds in the sky. And I am here to show you an activity that you can do to help your students understand how the phases of the moon actually occur. I am going to use a styrofoam ball, a pencil, and a light in a dark classroom. You may also use a flashlight if you do not have a dark classroom, as well as other objects which I have attached in the activity below. So I'm going to start by showing you the example of the phases of the moon through using these materials. We are going to start with the new moon. So I have the pencil and the styrofoam ball out in front of me. We're going to move to the left, where we will be able to see the waxing crescent, and then the first quarter, and then the waxing gibbous, and then the full moon. And then we'll be able to see the waning gibbous, the third quarter, the waning crescent, and we are back to the new moon. I'm going to show you what this would look like. Now, how I'm doing it is by standing up. I was recording myself before, so I'm just going to show you how it looks. So you start with the new moon, and then you just walk around. You stay in one spot and you just walk slowly, and as you can see, the part of the styrofoam ball that is lit up by the sun are the different phases of the moon. This is an easy activity that you can use with students to show them the misconceptions and to show them what the reality is and how the phases of the moon are caused. The reality of the phases of the moon are that it is caused by the changes of the moon as it orbits around Earth. The moon is always half lit by the sun, and we are only seeing the portion that is lit up based on where the moon is in its rotation around the sun. It takes the moon 27.32 days to rotate around the Earth, which is why we see the moon cycles about once a month. I also just wanted to recognize that my head is what is supposed to be Earth. So my head represents the Earth, the styrofoam ball is the moon, and then the light is the sun. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope that you found something that you can use in your classroom.